Phoenix, Arizona. The qualifying rounds of Hydro Racing's World Finals. Champion racer Scott Lumbert is poised to move into the #1 slot. He shoots out at the start like a water cannon. And then
capsule went over into the other side. Oh.
In 4 seconds, one of the best hydros in the world disintegrates. Scott is strapped inside a capsule. It does what it's supposed to do. It breaks away. But that capsule is not designed for a crash on dry land. Rockets into the air. Then bounces across the dirt like a flying coffin. Somehow it holds together.
They got jet skis over there. Yeah.
Now, they can't get Scott out.
What if they can't get it open? Gosh, they can't get it open.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
They're hammering on it right now, trying to get it open.
Scott's trapped inside for more than 5.5 minutes. With help from a crane, rescuers lift the entire capsule into a rescue boat.
Okay, yeah, they got the capsule up. They're still trying to get it open.
The lid is broken open. Miraculously, Scott's still alive.
There it goes.
We had a hot boat. She was performing excellent. All of a sudden, here comes a vibration. And at that point, I knew there was a problem. There's no control of it. At that point, you're strapped in a capsule, and you're in for the ride, whether you want to go or not.
Scott's speed, 219 miles an hour.
The capsule got pitched out 60 feet in the air. So you're falling basically a couple stories out of it. Luckily, I didn't fall on my head. I fell on my butt.
Scott's back is broken in 4 places. His boat is broken in 1 million. But it leaves enough evidence to save other drivers from the same fate.
The reason the boat crashed was because when I moved the props up, they caused the water blast to peel this plate down, and that plate caused hydraulics to blow the tail and to make the boat turn left. Once it turned left, you can't turn speed at 219 miles an hour. It just doesn't do it.
Other hydros are modified to make sure Scott's spectacular crash never happens again.
I'm the one who's got the craziest crash anybody's ever seen. Probably most spectacular footage anybody's ever had hold of. And everybody who comes up to me this day has to have my autograph up there for the crazy man who bounced across the island of Phoenix.